You've learned C major, hands together in contrary motion like this. And that's fairly easy. You will find that very easy. But remember that in one of my videos I described how the two parts of the brain need to communicate with each other, but they like to do mirror images rather than anything else. That's why it appears to be quite easy for us. The more difficult part now is putting the hands together in what is called similar motion. That means that we're working an octave apart. And now the hands are doing very different things at the same time. Now, playing similar motion is perhaps the most difficult thing that you'll do this semester because it requires very complex movements to be happening in your brain while you are doing this. So it requires exceptionally slow practice. I'm going to demonstrate how we do these now. Remember, the fingering stays exactly the same as when you learnt it hands separately. Watch very carefully now as I play this slowly. In the left hand, I play with the fifth finger, and in the right hand with the first. Then the second note, with my left hand I'm playing with the fourth finger, in my right hand with the second. Then I play with the third fingers together. In the right hand now, you'll remember that the thumb has to come underneath. Okay, so there's the thumb ready, but in my left hand I have to play with my second finger. Then with my thumb in my left hand and my second finger in the right. Then you'll remember that this finger has to come over and the third fingers now come together, and then the second finger in the left hand and the fourth finger in the right, and the thumb and the fifth finger, like that. Now that's how slowly you should play it when you start. Listen again. Third fingers together, the thumb comes under in the right hand. Now the third finger comes over in the left hand. And then come back down again. The third fingers come together. Then you'll see the thumb coming underneath. The third finger comes over in the right hand. When you can play it completely correctly at that speed, then you can start speeding it up like this.